These are the ingredients that I used for making my own version of chicken curry.
Now they are all prepared. Let's start cooking.
First, I fry the chicken with garlic and onions.
I added a little salt, dashida, and soy sauce. Mix them all just like that.
I added sliced potatoes, carrots, and let it be for a few minutes. I checked the texture of a carrot before adding the mushrooms. I used canned coconut milk instead of water and let it boil. After a few minutes, I added onions. Prepared the curry powder just like that. I made sure the potato is cooked before adding the last main ingredient, chicken curry. Finally, would you try it for me?